What's up guys, I'm back with a brand new video, best stable Android Oreo ROM. So turn on the subtitles if you want to. This is Banu, let's get started.
Didn't even happen. I mean, why are you laughing? Must have missed that joke, let me see if I can find a reaction. No, but at least you're happy. Feels like we're on the edge right now.
I have to admit, this is the best stable Oreo ROM I ever tried so far. Everything working super great. Let's have a look at settings. This is AEX 5.1 beta and is running on Android Oreo 8.1. This ROM is available for almost every device. All devices download links in the description. Internet connectivity is good, no network bugs. VoLTE is working good, battery is good. You got lots of pre-installed theme. Looks dope, right? If you're still living under the hood, you don't know that EX got some good extension. Have a look.
Only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules, my life destroyed. Life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? It's the first time of today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need.
So this is a quick video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. And quick update, I won't be uploading videos for 2 months because of my exams, so I hope you guys appreciate my effort. Stay devoted. I will see you in my next video. Peace out.